Yo, welcome to what's today? Wednesday, September 10th journal. It is now 4:16. I had a full day at the WORK today, at the J apostrophe whatever star asterisk thing be. And I did take a trade today. I took a trade on both my eval and I took a trade on my funded as well today. Yes, this was an A plus setup day. Finally, I took an A plus setup. But coming into the day, my bias was originally bullish. We had PPI come out bullish, and then we were just trading between the two ranges. I was bullish, and I was very excited when we did actually come down and sweep out the data low and hold this SMT right here. As you can see, we had the SMT with data low, excuse me, and this candle right here, we had the SMT. If we take a look at ES right here, we stayed above it. So let me go to the 1 minute chart because that's what this trade was taken on. So data low SMT. And we even had this SMT right here that I didn't have marked out on ES. But, okay. Originally was... Oh, my gosh. What the frick? Originally was looking to take... Where is it? This 1 minute inverse right here. I wanted to see a sweep, tap in. And then this candle was super good displacement. So I'm thinking, okay, the next candle is going to deliver us higher. And we just... We shoot up. Okay. That doesn't happen. We come down and we resweep. Now, as soon as the resweep happens and I see the gap left behind... I'm thinking, excuse me. Oh, okay, bet. Like, we're getting in. Sorry. This was it. This was my entry right here on the funded. But like, okay, the resweep happens. We get another gap. I'm like, okay, cool. Let me anticipate this. Market ordered it as soon as we closed right on this candle right here. 93, 936. So, bang. This was my order exactly on this account. Let's see. Bang. Okay, so this was targeting... The data high, 2.8 R, stops below the wick. Let me put that. Stops below the wick. With the break-even point being this 5 minute gap right here. So yeah, you know, this trade, I originally thought we have the SMT. We have the tap into the 1 hour. We sweep data lows. We're in a bullish bias. We have ABS on the 1 minute. Everything was just aligned. This was an A plus setup. Everything here was great. The delivery, even a resweep and everything. We had an excellent draw on liquidity as a target with a great break-even point. Trading near all-time high, so of course I'm going to be bullish. And it just sat in fucking lollygag land for an hour. Originally, once we got to around, I believe once we got like up here almost, I moved my stops to just below these two candles right here. And it was for like, see, $72 profit. So, you know, it took a little bit, just a little bit. But yeah, got tagged out on the candle at 11:16 when my entry was at the 9:53 candle. So over an hour in this trade. The delivery at first was so excellent. We retraced, we re-inversed another 1 minute, and here I was like, cool, we're about to fucking fly, dude. But we didn't. Oh, I forgot to mention also, as soon as we entered, look at the drawdown we sat in. We sat in some heavy drawdown, low-key. Like, I was thinking, okay, we're going to get fucked immediately. But, thankfully, you know, remained calm, remained disciplined, didn't move my stops, didn't do anything, which is excellent. And I just waited out the trade, and look where it took me, man. It didn't deliver the full TP, but all profit is good profit. But yeah, like, once, like, this point in the trade came, I moved my stops. Well, not my stops. I moved TP to right here, which was about $500 on funded. And 1,000 on eval is where I moved it, and that never got hit. I also was thinking about, you know, right here, it seemed as though ES was going to take the data high first. So I was also thinking about taking off some of my position. I was in 3 contracts, was probably going to take off 1 or 2. Once ES took the data high and moved stops up to trail, but that's when it started dumping and NQ consolidated and then ultimately followed. So ES was the leading index today. Overall, I'm proud of this trade. I'm glad that I actually entered on both my funded and my eval, which my eval entry was a little bit asser. My eval entry was all the way up here. It's like fucking 40. Yeah, my eval entry was culo. But yeah, I'm glad I entered on my funded. I'm glad, you know, I sat through the trade. I remained disciplined. I didn't break none of my rules. I took an excellent setup. I market ordered like I'm supposed to. I did everything right. PA just want to be like a bitch. You know, it just don't want to deliver whatsoever. But I did everything right in this trade. This to me is a A+ setup. This setup was excellent. This is what I'm coming into the market looking for every single day. It just unfortunately did not deliver today. I still took a little bit of profit. My funded is still in the negatives, but that's okay. That's okay. I'm learning. Like, I'm taking this shit day by day. I'm improving step by step, day by day. And that's what I'm showing. I wanted to be more comfortable at the end of this week. And I already see it today. Like, I was chilling. No, none of this heartbeat stuff. And I was trading at the JOB. I was trading there. I had the little setup. Let me pull up the picture real quick. Where's it at? Had the little setup. You see? But yeah, I entered on my funded. I actually did it, you know? And I remained calm, even sat through all this drawdown, not thinking, okay, I'm going to close early. None of that. I remained disciplined, and it ultimately shot back up, and I moved my break even a little early. I'm not going to lie. Once we got above this high, I moved my break even because, like, we were in this drawdown heavy. But yeah, I'm proud of myself, you know? I'm improving. I'm doing the shit that I wanted to work on. I entered on this. Sorry, didn't mean to click that. But yeah, I entered on this. I entered on my eval. Correct risk. Risking 500 on eval. 250 on funded. I'm risking correctly. I'm entering. I'm market ordering when I'm supposed to. It's getting better. You know, I'm attentive. I realized this shit. Even before Will and Steez called it out, I was already on top of it looking for the entry myself. I had some kids sitting with me and I was teaching them like, oh, look, watch, I'm waiting for this. So cool. Even before Will and Steez seen it. Once I seen the resweep with a gap left behind, I'm like, cool, I'm entering this. I don't give a fuck. And that's what I did. Okay, it didn't play out. But at least I made a couple dollars. You know what I mean? And it ultimately would have went to full stop loss if I did not move break even. But yeah, tomorrow we have CPI. So you already know I'm gonna full port that motherfucker. 8:30. Oh yeah, we're copping 2 Boondoxes tomorrow morning. Buy stops to the fucking moon. Hopefully I don't get slipped out this time. I'm gonna record that, upload it just because. Why not? But yeah, I'm proud of myself. I'm improving day by day, which is the goal. You know, the goal is to improve day by day. And by the end of this year, I don't want to have to ever show up to a JOB ever again. Like, that is the goal. If I can do that by the end of this year, I'll feel extremely proud of myself that I did it in such a short amount of time and I remained disciplined. You know, trading's also been teaching me shit from even outside of the charts. I've been learning a lot about myself. So even if I don't do it by the end of the year, man, I'm thankful as fuck. You know, I've learned so much about myself. I learned so much in areas where I've lacked previously, and I am able to improve upon them now and realize this shit. Like, it's improving me so much, even beyond the charts. So, yeah, shout out to trading, man. Shout out to it. If you ever thought about getting into it, bro, fucking get into it, dude. Just start. That's the first thing to do. If you know, maybe like a year or two down the line, once I done already, you know, I done made my fair share. I done showed myself I'm profitable, and you guys are coming to my channel, watching my journal, because for right now, this shit's just for me. Like, this is just meant for me to watch. But if you're coming down, you know, in a year or two from now, because you're like, oh, who's this guy? Like, I see he did it. Like, blah, 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 blah. Bro, I was once in your shoes. I still am in those shoes you're in. At this exact moment that I'm recording this, I'm in those damn shoes, bro. And you can fucking do it. Because I believe in myself and I can do it. So if I can believe in myself, you can believe in yourself, bro. And I see so much in you. And I don't even know you, but I know you can fucking do it. So yeah, if you're watching this, bro, just keep going. Just keep going, bro. Just like believe in yourself. Believe in what you're doing. Believe in the work that you put in. Prove to yourself that you can do it, dude. Do it for yourself. What Drake say? You just do it for yourself. That's why you the fucking coldest. But yeah, I'm so thankful for this. You know, I'm thankful especially for the part that is teaching me shit outside of the charts. Like, I'm realizing shit in my day-to-day life that I'm looking back on and I'm like, I used to do that. Like, I was lying to myself to that extent. I was fucking lying to myself to that extent. When I realized, like, I have to sit down and actually, you know, talk to myself and be real as fuck with myself, not lie to myself for a fucking second, so that I can actually improve at this shit, because this is what I genuinely want to do. That helped me outside the charts. And also, you know, my discipline outside the charts also correlates to on the charts in a way, which I still have to improve in my on the chart discipline. Thankfully, I'm not like blowing accounts left and right, but yeah. Overall, it's just correlating. It's coming together. I'm realizing shit that I didn't realize before, and I'm maturing on the charts at the same time as I'm maturing in life, and it's correlating. And before I started trading, I would hear that shit, and I was like, nah, bro, no way. But I'm fucking seeing it, and it is all making sense. As I mature and change the way that I do shit on my day-to-day life, is the same time that my fucking discipline and I actually get shit done on the charts. So it's correlating and I need to continue, and I'm so thankful that I'm able to realize it, and I'm blessed that I'm able to realize it, and I was able to realize it sooner rather than later, because I know that because of that, I'm gonna speed up my progress. I'm gonna improve so much more, and like little shit, bro. Like I'm happy as fuck I made $70, dude. I'm still in fucking drawdown on my account, but I'm happy as fuck because I'm doing the shit I said I would do. I'm reacting. I'm market ordering when I'm supposed to. I'm entering trades. I'm using correct risk. I'm doing the little shit that's gonna add up over time, and I know that it's all gonna work out soon. But anyways, enough rambling. It's been 10 fucking minutes, and all I did was take one trade, and it's just a PTC supposed to be. But yeah, if you're watching this, believe in yourself. Like whenever you're watching this down the line, because for right now, like I said, these journals are just for me and my personal reasoning. I just upload them in case you do stumble across them and it helps you. But yeah. Also, I know my boy Matrix is watching right now. Shout out Matrix. Shout out to Matrix. He's always dropping comments and liking the video. So shout out you, Matrix, if you made it this far. Shout out to everyone, man. But yeah, CPI tomorrow. Full port day. Yo, when you watch this, if you got CPI rolling around the corner, full port that motherfucker. Just full port that motherfucker. But yeah, all right, I'm done rambling. It's been 11 minutes, 30 seconds. So I'll catch you tomorrow morning during CPI. I'm going to be at the JOB, but I'm going to be trading at the HOME. And then I'll upload a PTC after. And I'll probably do 2 videos. I'll probably do a CPI. I'll probably do a TikTok just because. And I'll probably do a little PTC thing like this. So yeah, Thursday's tomorrow. Today was Wednesday. Catch you guys. Peace, love, positivity, all of that good stuff. And yeah, I'm going to go get this edited, uploaded, and all of that.